A very good morning, students. In the previous class we were discussing the question and answers of the lesson number 5, that is eating healthy. And what we have discussed in yesterday's class, we have discussed to take the correct statement. Okay, so after this we discussed some of the fill in the blanks which is there in page number 118. And today we are going to discuss the remaining questions that are like match the followings and answer the following questions. Okay, so open the page number 118 and take a pencil in your hand. I will tell you the answers of match the following. You just write in the page 118. So match the following. What is the first one? See, drinking water. Drinking water. Second one is the eggs. Eggs. Third one is the carrot and radish. Carrot and radish. B. Okay. Now next one is a healthy mix of food items. Healthy mix of food item. And the last one is apple and orange. Orange. Now the opposite side of this is food from animals. Second one is balanced diet. Balanced diet. The next one is fruits. Next one is vegetables. And the last one is clean and filtered. Clean and filtered. So these are the correct order. Okay. So match these questions with their correct answers. What is the first one? Drinking water. What is the correct answer? Drinking water, it should be clean and filtered. Okay. Drinking water should be clean and filtered. It should be clean and filtered. So the first one is with the last one. Okay. Now the second one is eggs. What is the answer of eggs? How you are getting eggs? These are the food from animals. Yes. These are the food from animals. How you are getting, from which animal or bird you are getting eggs? It is hen. So hen is a bird or animal. So this is the food that we are getting from the animals. Now the third one is carrot and radish are the fruits. Carrot and radish are the vegetables. Next, a healthy mix of food item is called as balanced diet. Next, apple and oranges are the fruits. Okay, see, I will explain one more time. Your drinking water should be clean and filtered, and eggs that we are getting, eggs are the food that we are getting from the animals. Next, carrot and radishes are the vegetables. A healthy mix of food item is called as balanced diet, and apple and oranges are fruits. These are the correct order. So after this we are going to discuss some of the questions. Answer the following questions are there. First question, what is the balanced diet? You should write the definition. Okay, see here. What is the balanced diet? Just write down the first question in your notebook. Okay, make a heading, answer the following questions, and write down the first question in your notebook, because I am going to write only answers on the board. Write down what is the balanced diet. Write the definition. What is the balanced diet? So the definition is, a diet is what? we should eat, first one, we should eat all kinds of food. All kinds of food. All kinds of food in a balanced manner. In a balanced manner is called balanced diet. Is called balanced diet. So what is balanced diet? We should eat all kinds of food, not only energy giving foods, not only protective foods, okay, but I told you there are 3 kinds of food and we should eat all those 3 kinds of foods. That is called as in a balanced manner. In a balanced manner in the sense ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುವಂಗೆ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ತಿನ್ನಬಾರ್ದು, ಅತಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿನೂ ತಿನ್ನಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಡೈಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ of bodybuilding food. Give some example, give some food items for the bodybuilding food. Many are there. First one is pulses, eggs. Next, milk, fish, and fish. It's enough. These are some examples for bodybuilding food. Now the third question is, what is energy giving food? You should write the definition again. What is energy giving food? So this kind of food gives us energy. This kind of food gives us energy, called energy giving food. Next one is why is food important to us? Why is food? Why food is important for our body? Why it is important? See, food is important. Food is important because to be fit and healthy, and also to grow. Why is food important? Because food is important to be fit and healthy and to grow. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಡೇ ಬೈ ಡೇ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಫಿಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? ಫುಡ್ ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಸಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದೇರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಡೈಟ್? We should eat all kinds of food in a balanced manner, that we called balanced diet. So give some examples of bodybuilding foods. Bodybuilding foods are pulses, eggs, milk and fishes. These are the bodybuilding foods. So next one is what is energy giving food? The food which this kind of food gives us energy. Which kind of food gives us energy? Energy giving foods gives us energy to our body. That's called as energy giving food. Now next one is why is food important for us? Food is important because to be fit, healthy and also to grow, food is important. Okay, so this is the question answers of eating healthy. Here this chapter is finished. So in your home you have something to do. See here, page number 119. What you have to do, the activity zone is there. This table, can you see this table? What is there? Fill this chart every day for a week by putting right under the column of the food item that you have eaten. Okay, they have given weeks here, they have given days of the week. from Monday to Sunday. And here upside they have given some food items. What are those? Fruits, fish, meat, bread, vegetables, milk. They have given some food items. What you have to do is put the right mark that which food item you are going to eat. If ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ತಿಂದಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ ಮಂಡೇ ನೀವು ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ತಿಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ರೈಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ನೀವು ಥರ್ಸಡೇ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ತಿಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲಿಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾಲೋ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ವೀಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Read this lesson for one time and read all the question and answers of this lesson, eating healthy, for one time, and write all question and answers in your textbook, in your notebook as well. Okay, so lesson number 1 to lesson number 5, all question and answers should be in your notebook. Okay, so tomorrow we will study the lesson number 6, that is clothes we wear, which kind of clothes we wear according to the seasons. Okay, we will discuss in this next class.